And of course, it's nice to meet you all. My name is Mohammed Giyo from Bangladesh. With life insurance contribution, 3,874 million USD. The life insurance sector has seen a growth rate of 0.84, highlighting its resilience and sustained growth. I'd like to request Mr. Kausar Hassan for next slide, please, to continue the presentation.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Thank you Mr. Giyo for giving me the opportunity. So my name is MD Kausar Hassan, as you might know by this time. So I'm a pharmacist by education and turned marketing professional. So I worked in different industries such as hospital, pharmaceuticals, and now in insurance. So you name it, I have it in my portfolio. So I introduced first time full-fledged health insurance in Bangladesh market, and I have overall 13 years extensive experience, and also I am a traveler and a movie fanatic person. And there is a website of mine, so if you want to search me, you can contact me through my website as well. So let's get back to the business. So our GDP is 376,210 million USD. And life insurance premium income is 1,086 million USD. So our total insurance penetration is 0.5%, which is quite less, I would say, in terms of our neighboring countries, such as India has 4.2%, and while Sri Lanka has 1.2% of their GDP. And life insurance penetration is only 0.29%. So this slide reflects the insurance premium and reinsurance contribution. So our total premium is 966 million US dollar as of 2022. So reinsurance premium is 5 million US dollar, and our net premium that we retain to ourselves, that is 961 million US dollars. So we retain almost 99.48% to our own capacity. So here are the claim settlement figures. So global average is, as you all know, 97 to 98%. In India, it is 98.45%. So in Bangladesh, both life and non-life, there is 65.19%. But our industry, that is life insurance industry, it has quite good figure for claim settlement figures, and that is 72% in compared to the industry average. So this slide reflects the premium income and the market share. So in individual, we can see 658 million US dollar we earn premium as of 2022, which represent the highest one. In micro, we have 130 million US dollars. For group, that is also considered, that is also named as employee benefits, is $80 million. And Islamic, which is another name is Takaful, that is 97 million US dollars. So we can see that 68% of our total premium comes from the individual one, and 40% from micro, 8% from the group, that is the employee benefits, and 10% from the Takaful wing. So this slide represents the life insurance class-wise paid claim. So our death claim is only 25 million US dollars. As our market is mostly endowment dominant, so maturity claims are higher, $476 million. Surrender was $76 million. Survival benefit was $110 million. And for group, it is $98 million. So the rate of lapse policy increase. This is a very interesting slide. So you can see that from 2018 to 2021, it was in degrowing stage. But unfortunately, in 2022, it is growing. So it has happened because COVID situation, number one, and number two is inflation. So higher inflation rate represents the rate of lapse policy. So people have less money than earlier, so they feel hardship to continue their policy. So reasons for lagging behind. First of all, there is less awareness and consciousness for the risk management for the people of Bangladesh. Number two, lack of trust. So you might be wondering why there is lack of trust. So every industry has some good players and some not good players as well. So they did some kind of misconducts. So that's why there is an issue of trust. But the good thing is we have some good players as well, like Prabhuti Life. And number three is dependent only on traditional agency channel. So at present in Bangladesh, we are dependent only on the traditional agency channel. Number four is less innovation and automation in the underwriting and claims adjudication. So in Bangladesh, we do mostly the manual way of the underwriting and claim adjudication. But I know there are many advanced technologies like AIs, so that can smooth the process and make it smooth and correct as possible. And number five is less number of professionals. We do have scarcity of professionals in the insurance industry in Bangladesh. So these are the recent groundbreaking initiatives by the regulator. First one is our regulator have introduced insurance for the expatriate workers. So in Bangladesh, we do have a large number of expatriate workers, and our regulator have introduced a special insurance for these people. And number two is education insurance. So now our childs are insured by this education insurance. So number three is very unique, I would say, and very appreciating. So we have introduced insurance for the people with special needs. Number four, I must say it is a groundbreaking initiative by our regulator, because earlier only non-life insurance companies can sell health insurance, and life insurance companies could sell health insurance along with the life policies as a rider. But now our regulator allowed life insurer to sell standalone health insurance policy. And I take pride that I have introduced standalone health insurance policy in Bangladesh. So number five is regulatory sandbox guideline. So you might be wondering what is this. So our regulator have introduced this. So in any company, if they want to bring some changes with using the technologies, so they can do it using this regulatory sandbox guideline. Number six, working on special insurance for the women. Number 7, so our regulator is working on to introduce special insurance for the railway passengers. Number 8, this is very interesting. So in 2023, we have introduced the mortality table and morbidity table. So these things comes handy when the insurer do the premium calculation things. And our regulator have instructed to increase the product promotion in different mediums, like the most above the line and below the line channels. And number 10, this might be a very good thing to say, that we have launched bank assurance. We are late, but we still launch it. Number 11, that is, our regulator have provided a claims management guideline and corporate governance guideline. So this thing enables us to perform the business in a good manner and adjudicate the claim in a smoother process. So let's talk about bank assurance. So at present, there are 6 companies, including us, who are doing the bank assurance things. So as it is in a very early stage, so at present we are tying up with banks, and our regulators have allowed us to tie up with 3 banks and vice versa. So at present, the training of bankers and agreements are being performed. So when this has been done, we hope that this channel will increase the premium growth, insurance penetration, and reduce the dependency on the traditional agency channel. So InsurTech, I hope you must have heard of this thing. So InsurTech is also available in Bangladesh. At present, there are 4 companies who are doing this kind of business, and they are mostly focusing on micro and travel insurance policies. So that is all from Bangladesh. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Any question? Or folks?
You mentioned that claim. You just mentioned that claim growth.
Yes.
And
Yes.
there's a lot of space to improve. Is it because?
This one?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
There's lots of space to integrate, and so do you think it's the design of the products too strict, or because people are?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you please repeat again?
Does it mean your products in your country develop too strict that people cannot make the claim, or is it because people are at a lower or having issues?
You want to answer this?
Claim settlement जो है वो करिए.
Okay.
আমরা এমনভাবে প্রোডাক্ট ডিজাইন
হুম, হুম,
করছি যেগুলো ক্লেম করতে পারতেছে না
না, সেটা তো না. Okay. Well, thank you for your question. Well, the products are designed quite smooth way, but the thing is, this data, that is 72%, represents the total insurance industry. Like there are, as I have already said, there are some excellent players and there are some not good players as well. So when the not good players cannot provide the claims due to the increase of their expense and other things, the less number of life funds, so that reflects the thing. But if I talk about the good players, like for us in Pragati Life, we have 98%. So for example, the Trust Life, they have 98% ratio. So the total figure represents the 72%, but the good players, they have an outstanding figures, and that is as per the global average.
So my question to you is, just that you recently launched bank insurance. So what is the model that is being followed in Bangladesh? Like in Pakistan, we've got 2 models, referral model and direct model, where insurance company deploys their people in the bank. On the other model, bank has its own staff. That's question number 1. And what is the premium forecast for that year when it comes to bank insurance?
Thank you, Jishan. So first, as we are in very early stage of the bank insurance, so we are planning on the direct model. So the bank people will sell the insurance policies, And if you're talking about the insurance, the premium that we are expecting, so it is very early to say, but in the figure, I would say it is around $100 million. $100 million. So here in Bangladesh, the banks will act as the corporate agent.
So are we talking about no insurance company? Or we're talking
No, the total industry.
The total industry?
Yes.
We're talking about 1 million euros per 100
Right.
For the current year?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Any opinion or question? Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.